शिवोऽहं 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 शिवोऽहं. Can we do more number of chakra meditation during Navaratris? How to intensify puja during Navaratris? Because I am at level 1 only for Sri Vidya, and you have said not to do more than 3 rounds in the video. Yes, I have said don't do too many rounds of chakra meditation. Okay, so you are not going to do more than 3 rounds, but you can do the mantra japa, moola mantra of level 1 for 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 1 hour, or 1 japamala, maximum 3 japamala you can do. That is more than sufficient. And then you are doing this Durga Saptashati, chant the Durga Saptashati Siddha Kunjika Stotra minimum 3 times, maximum 9 times if you have a time, and do the moola mantra of Durga Saptashati. Don't work too much on the chakras. I have been telling, when you are started, slowly, steadily you develop your, that strength in your inner body. If I go to the gym, I have been guided to do the certain repetition, and you cannot do too much repetition at the one time. It will hurt your muscle, it will hurt your bone, it will hurt your body, and it will create a problem. Then it will delay a lot of. So slowly, steadily you do the sadhana. So moola mantra japa you can do maximum 3 japamala during Navaratri. That's one thing. And apart from that, try to attend a global meditation we are conducting during Navaratri. Please visit our website. There is a Navaratri meditation mentioned in the menu. Go through that, attend that group meditation. Okay, at least half an hour in the morning, half an hour in the evening. If not possible, at least in the morning or at least in the evening. If that is also not possible, chant that mantra any time in your day, because those 9 Shaktis are very, very powerful on those 9 days. These are the very precious secret mantra I am sharing openly to the public. So you do those sadhana. So this itself is too much practice. Morning Sri Vidya or Durga Saptashati, again evening, and then Moola Mantra Japa plus global group meditation, the Navaratri sadhana is too much practice. This is more than sufficient for your spiritual growth. Again I am telling, it is not just doing too many chakra rounds, more japa. Do with the love with mother. Communicate with the Divine Mother. Don't see Divine Mother just an idol. No, she is not a statue. Please understand. I am worshipping her. You communicate with her. Amma like this, Amma like that. Mata, please bless me. Mata, I want to see you. If I am not visualistic, at least in a dream you come and give me the darshan. Amma, please bless me. Be with me all the time. Guide my mind. Help me to do the more sadhana. Help me to bring the concentration. I want to merge with you. I want to fall in love with you. Show me the real love to me. Not this temporary love, emotional love I don't want. This I have been experiencing from life after life. There's no end. This temporary thing never satisfied me. Make me pure satisfaction with your pure love. Pray with mother, communicate with mother, fall in love with mother, surrender to mother, devote your thing. Everything, how much your mind is focused with love, with a passion, that is a sadhana. And just doing more japa. Tape recorder can do better than you. That you need to understand. If emotion, feeling is not there, the mechanical chanting is not a sadhana. Please understand. Spiritual practice means acceptance, allowance, love, devotion, all should be there. Then it is called spiritual practice. Otherwise, it's a mechanically worldly thing. It is not a spiritual practice. Shivoham, 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 Shivoham.